I think the time has come. I think that it is finally time for me to give up my unnecessary tie to Windows. I took a step today. I bought a MacBook Pro, 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M4 Pro chip. And it's a little bit of a weird one because I've always really been tied to Windows. I built my own PC and it works great. And I think that obviously I'll stick with PC for the things that I need it for, things like gaming and regular browsing, all that good stuff. The MacBooks do just as well with Premiere Pro, things like that. And so I want to give it a shot. I want to see how it does. I do a lot of video editing, a lot of things. And so I kind of wanted to give this a shot. My last unboxing video was done with a phone and it was done in my kitchen. It turned out okay. Not really. It's pretty bad. You can check it out. I really have wanted to get into YouTube and doing various things, and I'm really bad about taking opportunities or missing opportunities that I could record. I could turn into videos, but I just don't take the time to do it. And today was kind of a weird opportunity. The power went out at the office building, and so now I don't have any internet. And I figure this is a perfect opportunity to do it. Otherwise, I'd be sitting staring at a screen, not doing a whole lot. Not that internet is that important, but I am not sponsored by Best Buy, but I will always sing their praises. Get the Best Buy Total membership. It's so worth it. It's only 150 something bucks a year, and I have crashed my drone a couple of times already, and it has paid for itself just because they take care of me. And I'm glad they do, but maybe they shouldn't take care of me. But no, I don't treat my things as if I have insurance. I take very good care of my stuff. This came with Apple Care for free. It was a whole, I think, 24 months of Apple Care, which I'd say is a pretty good deal. And I even saved money with Best Buy as compared to Apple. See if it's worth the switch. I mean, maybe this was a very poor choice, and I'll talk about that after I use it for a couple of weeks. But I've used Mac, and I have an iPad. I use it all the time. I have my iPhone, use it all the time. I think the only thing that I'm a little worried about is the Office compatibility, but as far as I know, Mac does pretty good. But anyway, wanted to unbox this thing.
Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Now, I suppose this box should go in my closet for the next 10 years, and I won't ever touch it again. Well, I am super ecstatic to get this going. Finally have it unboxed, ready to go, and I don't know, we'll give it a try. Maybe I'll talk about it a little bit more. I am excited about the M4 chip and, well, M4 Pro, whatever. But I'm excited because I think that this is going to be a lot more than I need it to be. And it's part of the reason why I got it was because we were going on a trip to Wyoming this next couple of weeks, and then we're going to Alaska. I wanted something that I can run my marketing company from the go, because most of the time I've been doing everything on my iPad, and while that works, it just doesn't get the job done. It is able to help me keep working through times where I shouldn't be working, which will be good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Take some time to watch some of our drone footage. We practice our drone piloting as often as we possibly can, and I'm just trying to refine my skills, and I haven't posted a drone video in a while, but keep an eye out. We will be posting more of those hopefully here in the near future. And we are also working on 4 documentaries with the Stearns History Museum. I think those are going to turn out great. It has been a very rewarding learning experience just trying to get this done, and it's been a blast. It's been a really good time, and I will most definitely link to those videos when I get them done and they're posted live. But until then, I'll post this video and maybe others if I get a chance. Cool. Thanks for watching.